What is the definition of a group in an organizational context, and how does it impact productivity? A group is defined as a collection of individuals who interact with each other in such a way that one person's actions influence the actions of others. The way groups function has significant implications for organizational productivity. Effective groups can enhance collaboration, improve decision-making, and ultimately lead to better outcomes for the organization. Conversely, poorly functioning groups can hinder performance and productivity. Describe the 5 stages of group development as proposed by Bruce Tuckman. Bruce Tuckman's model includes the following 5 stages of group development. 1. Forming. The initial stage where group members meet, form perceptions, and establish norms. 2. Storming. Characterized by conflicts and disagreements as members voice differing opinions on tasks. 3. Norming. Members resolve conflicts, establish positive norms, and begin to work cohesively towards group goals. 4. Performing. The group reaches maturity and functions effectively, with members committed to the group's success. 5. Adjourning. The final stage where the group disbands after achieving its objectives, emphasizing the importance of closure. What are the key differences between formal and informal groups in organizations? Formal groups are officially established within an organization, comprising managers, subordinates, or both, with close associations that influence behavior. For example, a project team formed to achieve specific objectives is a formal group. In contrast, informal groups arise spontaneously based on personal relationships or shared interests among individuals, such as friends in the workplace who collaborate on tasks without formal recognition. Discuss the concept of cohesion in groups and its potential drawbacks. Cohesion refers to the degree of companionship and unity within a group where members feel attached to one another and work effectively as a team. High cohesion can lead to increased satisfaction, self-confidence, and improved group performance. However, excessive cohesion can also result in negative outcomes, such as internal pressure to conform, conflict avoidance, and members prioritizing group harmony over critical thinking or individual contributions, which may hinder innovation and problem solving. What is social loafing, and how can it affect group performance? Social loafing refers to the tendency of individuals to exert less effort when working in a group compared to working alone. This phenomenon can negatively impact group performance, as the total output of the group may be less than the sum of individual efforts. For instance, in a team project, some members may rely on others to do the bulk of the work, leading to decreased motivation and overall effectiveness of the group. What are the key roles within a team, and how do they contribute to the team's effectiveness? Key roles within a team include: 1. Contractor role. Organizes the team's work, including timelines and task sequencing. 2. Creator role. Focuses on changing the task process structure to enhance team efficiency. 3. Contributor role. Provides essential information and expertise that inform team decisions. 4. Completer role. Transforms ideas into action, ensuring that tasks are completed. 5. Critic role. Acts as a devil's advocate, challenging assumptions and promoting critical thinking within the group. These roles contribute to team effectiveness by ensuring that tasks are well organized, processes are continually improved, diverse expertise is utilized, actions are taken based on ideas, and assumptions are rigorously tested. Explain the difference between traditional manager-led teams and self-managed teams. Traditional manager-led teams operate with a designated manager serving as the team leader, directing team activities and decisions. In contrast, self-managed teams emerged with the total quality movement and operate independently without direct supervision from a manager. Members of self-managed teams select their own leader and may rotate leadership roles, promoting autonomy and collaborative decision-making. This model encourages team members to take responsibility for their tasks and fosters a sense of ownership in the group's outcomes. What strategies can teams implement to create effective team norms and contracts? Teams can implement several strategies to create effective team norms and contracts. 1. Establish clear norms. Define shared expectations about how the team will operate, addressing roles and responsibilities. 2. Create a team contract. Outline ground rules, goals, and roles, ensuring everyone agrees to these terms. 3. Regularly review performance. Discuss what constitutes good performance and how to address attendance and quality issues. 4. Encourage open communication. Define communication channels and procedures for handling conflicts or absences. By establishing these strategies, teams can reduce issues like social loafing and groupthink, fostering a more productive and cohesive working environment. Identify and explain common barriers to effective teams and how to address them. Common barriers to effective teams include: 1. Challenges of knowing where to begin. Team leaders can facilitate progress by identifying obstacles and gathering necessary data or support. 2. Dominating team members. Implementing team evaluations can ensure balanced participation, giving everyone a chance to contribute. 3. Poor performance of team members. Teams often address poor performance based on perceived causes, providing training for skill deficits or motivation strategies for low engagement. 4. Poorly managed team conflict. Teams should ideally avoid pairing adversaries. If unavoidable, private discussions can be facilitated to address conflicts without disrupting team dynamics. By recognizing and proactively addressing these barriers, teams can enhance their effectiveness and collaboration. What steps can be taken to create and maintain a cohesive team? Steps to create and maintain a cohesive team include: 1. Align with organizational goals. Establish common objectives that engage all members. 2. Involve members in goal setting. Allow team members to have a say in setting their own goals, increasing buy-in and commitment. 3. Define clear roles. Clearly outline each member's responsibilities to show how they contribute to the team's objectives. 4. Encourage frequent praise. Foster a positive atmosphere through recognition of individual and group efforts. 5. Celebrate differences and establish common rituals. Acknowledge diversity and create shared experiences to reinforce group identity. These steps help build trust, enhance communication, and foster a sense of belonging among team members. Discuss the various roles within a team and their significance in achieving team objectives. Analyze how these roles interact and contribute to the overall performance of the team. Team roles refer to the specific behaviors and responsibilities that individuals assume within a group setting. These roles are crucial for fostering collaboration and ensuring that each team member contributes effectively to achieving the group's objectives. A well-defined set of roles enhances productivity, clarifies expectations, and facilitates smoother interpersonal interactions. Explanation of roles. 1. Contractor role. The contractor organizes the team's work by creating timelines, production schedules, and task sequencing. This role is vital for setting clear expectations and ensuring that tasks are completed in a timely manner. 2. Creator role. The creator focuses on changes in the team's task process structure, fostering innovation and adaptability. This role encourages the team to explore new approaches and solutions to problems. 3. Contributor role. The contributor brings essential information and expertise to the team. This role is critical for ensuring that the group has access to the knowledge needed to make informed decisions. 4. Completer role. The completer transforms ideas into action, taking responsibility for the execution of plans. This role ensures that the team's concepts are implemented effectively and efficiently. 5. Critic role. The critic serves as the devil's advocate, challenging assumptions and encouraging critical thinking. This role helps prevent groupthink and fosters a culture of constructive feedback. Social roles. 1. Cooperator role. The cooperator supports team members with expertise and encourages collaboration toward shared goals, enhancing team synergy. 2. Communicator role. The communicator practices good listening skills and uses humor to diffuse tense situations, facilitating open and effective dialogue. 3. Calibrator role. The calibrator keeps the team on track by suggesting needed changes to processes, ensuring that the group maintains its focus and efficiency. Boundary spanning roles. 1. Consul role. The consul gathers information from the larger organization and communicates team activities and successes, fostering alignment with organizational objectives. 2. Coordinator role. The coordinator interfaces with other teams and individuals within the organization, ensuring that the team's efforts align with broader initiatives and goals. Conclusion. The interaction of these various roles is essential for a team's overall performance. When team members understand their roles and collaborate effectively, they can leverage each other's strengths, mitigate weaknesses, and achieve objectives more efficiently. A balanced distribution of roles can significantly enhance team dynamics, leading to increased satisfaction and performance. Evaluate the strategies for designing effective teams and the barriers that can hinder their success. How can these barriers be overcome to foster a productive team environment? Designing effective teams involves establishing clear roles, norms, and processes that facilitate collaboration and productivity. Effective team design is critical in ensuring that the collective capabilities of team members are maximized to achieve organizational goals. Strategies for designing effective teams. 1. Identifying the right individuals. Selecting team members based on their skills, expertise, and compatibility enhances team performance. It is essential to choose individuals who complement one another and bring diverse perspectives. 2. Determining team size. The optimal team size depends on the complexity of the task. Smaller teams tend to be more effective in communication and decision-making, while larger teams can bring more resources but may face coordination challenges. 3. Considering diversity. Diversity in teams fosters creativity and innovation as members bring unique experiences and viewpoints. Diverse teams are better equipped to tackle complex problems and adapt to changing environments. 4. Establishing team norms and contracts. Clear norms and a team contract outlining roles, responsibilities, and expectations help prevent misunderstandings and promote accountability among team members. 5. Conducting effective meetings. Regular, well-structured meetings facilitate information sharing and decision-making. Meeting agendas should be prepared in advance and follow-up on action items should be prioritized. Common barriers to effective teams. 1. Challenges of knowing where to begin. Teams may struggle to initiate action due to uncertainty about roles or objectives. 2. Dominating team members. Some individuals may monopolize discussions, stifling contributions from others. 3. Poor performance of some team members. Inconsistent performance can arise from various factors, including lack of skills or motivation. 4. Poorly managed team conflict. Conflict can disrupt team cohesion if not managed effectively, leading to decreased productivity. Strategies to overcome barriers. 1. Addressing challenges of beginning. Team leaders can facilitate discussions to clarify roles, objectives, and needed resources. 2. Balancing participation. Implementing structured team evaluations that promote equal participation can mitigate the influence of dominating members. Conclusion: overcoming barriers to effective team functioning is essential for achieving a productive environment. By implementing strategic design practices and actively addressing challenges, organizations can foster cohesive teams that perform at their best, leading to enhanced organizational outcomes. In the context of a software development team working on a new application, discuss the various roles within the team and their significance in achieving project milestones. Analyze how these roles interact and contribute to the overall success of the project. In the context of a nonprofit community service team organizing a fundraising event, evaluate the strategies for designing effective teams and the barriers that can hinder their success. How can these barriers be overcome to foster a productive team environment? Designing effective teams in a nonprofit setting is vital for successfully executing community-oriented projects. The establishment of clear roles, norms, and processes helps to engage volunteers and staff effectively toward achieving their goals. Strategies for designing effective teams. 1. Identifying the right individuals. Selecting team members based on their skills, passion for the cause, and previous experience enhances the team's effectiveness and commitment. 2. Determining team size. The optimal team size for a fundraising event should be manageable, typically 5 to 10 members, to encourage participation and facilitate communication. 3. Considering diversity. Diverse teams benefit from varied perspectives, which can enhance creativity in fundraising ideas and community engagement strategies. 4. Establishing team norms and contracts. Creating a team contract with agreed-upon roles, responsibilities, and expectations helps ensure accountability and clarity among members. 5. Conducting effective meetings. Regular meetings with clear agendas foster information sharing and decision-making, ensuring that all team members are aligned and engaged. Common barriers to effective teams. 1. Challenges of knowing where to begin. Teams may struggle with starting due to uncertainty about roles, fundraising targets, or event logistics. 2. Dominating team members. Some individuals may take control during discussions, leading to unbalanced participation and diminished input from others. 3. Poor performance of some team members. Inconsistent performance can occur if volunteers lack motivation or clarity on their roles and responsibilities. 4. Poorly managed team conflict. Conflicts can arise due to differing opinions on how to approach the fundraising event, leading to decreased morale. Strategies to overcome barriers. 1. Addressing challenges of beginning. Team leaders can initiate brainstorming sessions to clarify objectives and allocate responsibilities effectively. 2. Balancing participation. Implementing structured feedback sessions can help ensure that all voices are heard, encouraging equitable participation among team members. Conclusion: overcoming barriers to effective teamwork in a nonprofit context is essential for executing successful community service projects. By implementing strategic design practices and actively addressing challenges, organizations can foster cohesive teams that drive impactful fundraising efforts.